If you want to plant a new garden, flowers, vegetables or shrubs, it all starts with the right soil, and ordinary topsoil just won't cut it. We recommend our garden mix as the best ready to plant mix because it's 100% free of weeds and packed with nutrients for your plants. Garden mix is easy to work with and is actually lighter than ordinary topsoil. Garden mix works best as a layer over topsoil in your garden. Around 200 to 300 ml in depth is ideal. It is also the best mix to use in raised beds because of its fertilizers and its drainage properties. Plus it's got fabulous compost in it, which is great for encouraging good root establishment in plants. If you're planting a tree or hedges, you may want to use a grunty mix called Nutrisoil, which is more suited for those plants that create a larger root system over time, especially in the clay soils of Auckland. And if you're wondering if good old topsoil is ever a good idea, use topsoil as a sub-base to build up your garden or lawn area, then place weed-free mixes on top. For more information on when to use Central Landscape Supply's garden mix and topsoil, download our instruction sheet or drop by one of our local yards. And don't forget, we've got free loan trailers available.